Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a channel for your groups on Battle.net. Now once you're on your account guys, just simply click chats and groups in the lower right hand side. Find the group that you want to create a channel for. Let's take the COD one. That's Call of Duty Geeks. And here, if you look towards the middle section here, you have a section called channel, and you can click the plus here to create a channel. Alternatively, if you look towards the right hand side here, you have the details of the chat. You can also create channels from here as well. So you can click it here to create a channel, or you can click the plus here to create channel. Now from here, you just want to give your channel a name. So I'm going to call this one Call of Duty. Let's say that's what I want to give it the name, Duty, and you can write a description. It's up to you. So let's say COD, and members, you can click the drop down here, and if you can just simply choose for all members, or you want to do it for leaders and moderators. It's really up to you. Let's leave it for all members there, then create the channel. And once you create the channel guys, you'll see that the channel is under that group there, and that's it. So it normally comes with a general channel once you create it, but you have those different ones there. That's how easy it is. So for all the new groups that you created, it will always have a general channel, but you can create new channels underneath if you so desire. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.